everyone, and welcome back to another Growing Green video, where today I'm going to be showing you how I have organized my seeds. As you can see, I obviously got a delivery. I purchased these online, and I will put the link for you down below from where I purchased them from. As you can see, it is 3 by 6, and I bought 2 of these to make sure I could fit everything in. So this is my old seed setup, and as you can see, it's not very well organized at all. It was just in a couple of old tins, and I couldn't see what was in what, so this definitely had to be fixed. So I still decided to put them in exactly the same place. I decided to put them on the top side by side, and thank goodness my calculations were correct because they only just fit, but hey, it works. So the next step obviously was to go through all of my seeds. As you can see, I have quite a collection and they weren't in any order, so it was hard to find anything. So I just laid them all out side by side on top of my washing machine to sort them out in alphabetical order. As I was doing this, I also put them in the order of date that I purchased them and that they need to be sown by, because I do know in my collection I have quite a few old seeds, some even from way back in like 2012, so I put them on top to make sure I'd used them first, or at least tested them to see if they still worked. As you can see by these clips, the majority of my seed collection are vegetables. This is because this is kind of just what I've started out with. I have, although recently, been getting into flowers, so I hope to expand my flower seed collection as well at some point. And this is my teeny tiny little flower seed collection. Once I had finished this, all I need to do now is to put them into their little boxes. I put them in alphabetical order, starting from the top left hand corner all the way down that first set of trays, and then from the top down from the next lot of trays, and I put all of my flowers at the bottom. You also may have noticed that I have not put any labels on them, and I probably will not put any labels on them. That's just because I want to be able to move them around all the time without having to change the labels. We take the labels off and then it starts to look a little bit messy, so I'm just going to leave them off for now. And here we have my finished seed collection. As you can see, it fits in both of them, which is perfect. I've put the earlier purchased seeds on the bottom, the later ones on the top, so I know to use those first. They're all in beautiful alphabetical order, and now when I want to go and sow something, I'll know exactly where everything is. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up and let me know. Let me know any other videos you'd like me to do. Otherwise, I'll see you again next time on Growing Green.